Okay, so here's an example of how I have ran the prompt requirements gatherer, and I had downloaded 8 weeks of weekly data from a Google Ads account, and I wanted to create a prompt that would analyze the data, and it's for a performance max campaign. I downloaded 8 weeks of data of all the asset group performance, and I wanted it to analyze the data to determine what I should be doing with the asset groups. And so I gave it the prompt. I want to create a prompt to analyze Google Ads data of asset groups from a Google Ads Performance Max campaign. The data spans 8 weeks of data. I want to be able to determine which asset groups should be moved out of their own campaigns based on their asset group performance over the 8 week span. So I wanted it to analyze all the data that I'm going to give to it, and then provide me some recommendations. So it then starts prompting me for core purpose, and then I just give it the answers. So as you can see here, it was asking me multiple questions: format and structure, constraints and parameters, any word character limits, and then I just went one, no word, nothing to be avoided, no deadlines, no threshold. So essentially that's what I was doing, is I was just doing short answers on any of the questions that it was asking me. User interaction, examples and references, evaluation criteria, technical considerations, additional context, and then here's a structured summary. So it said, here's the structured summary of how it would do it. And then it said, I can create a draft ready to use prompt template that accepts your data set and produce a specified report. I said, please do that. It then gave me the output. I then copied all of this, and then I came into this. I created this GPT. It's my prompt creator. So I said, please create me a prompt using the below instructions. It then analyzed it, and here's my prompt. So these are the instructions that I can use one-off, or if I want to use that for an assistant. So my two-step process is to always run the prompt requirements gatherer first, to guide me through questions, to be clear on context. Then I will create the prompt. This framework actually for this prompt here, and I'll share with you the prompt. It's done by, I don't know if you've seen the AI Advantage. This was a prompt that they shared, and it's one of many prompts that I use to create prompts. Another one that I use quite regularly is one, again, created by them guys. It's called Sam the Prompt Creator. And there's actually a GPT that you can get inside ChatGPT as well. You can use that if you've got a ChatGPT account and you don't want to open a SimTheory account. This is a great prompt creator. When you look at prompt creation, if you were to go into ChatGPT and you look for GPTs, I think it's one of the highest rated prompt generators, or most used. It's actually very good. The AI Advantage is a great YouTube channel. Just wait for that to come up. There, prompt. No, it's not. Any of these pauses, just chop them out. Sam, the prompt creator, there he is there, 50,000 uses. So it's actually a really, really good GPT to use. Another exceptional resource for those Reddit users is there is a subreddit that I often go to, and you'll find some amazing prompts in here. And this is where I found an exceptional framework for Google Ads, is ChatGPT Prompt Genius. This is a great resource in Reddit. A lot of people come up with some very unique ideas on how to create prompts and craft prompts. And in a later video, I'll share with you an actual framework that I built for creating ad copy using a framework that I got from here. Great resource. So just to reiterate, two-step process for me when I want to create instructions, even if it's for a prompt, instead of just typing in a prompt, I'll build my prompt using the requirements gatherer, and then I'll build the prompt with a prompt builder.